Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are preparing a very simple and very quick side dish that you can serve along with lunch or dinner. This can even be used as a stuffing for rolls, wraps, etc. So let's begin with the video. Here I'm taking 3 carrots and 3 potatoes. Now we need to peel skin of the potatoes. For that I am using a peeler. Simple kitchen tools like this one, a peeler, makes our job very easy. Once you are done peeling the skin, rinse it really well to avoid any dust or any dirt that might be there. In a chopping board, I will be roughly chopping the potatoes and also the carrots. You can chop them in your desired size and shape. You can even chop them like French fries, but I prefer this way. Here we are done chopping our carrots and potatoes. Now we'll heat up a frying pan and adding mustard oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. Into this adding pinch of kalonji and some chopped garlic. Kalonji and garlic adds a great flavor in this simple dish. Once garlic is a little golden brown, we'll add the carrots. Give it a mix, cover and allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I will add the potatoes. Adding salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of black pepper powder. We'll mix it well. Cover and allow it to cook in low flame. You can keep checking it every 2 to 3 minutes to avoid the potatoes and carrots from sticking to the pan. Once they are about 80% cooked, I will add some kasuri methi. Give this a mix. Cover and allow it to cook in steam. We'll switch off the flame. After about 15 minutes, just before serving, this is how the potatoes and carrots look like. They are cooked properly. We'll allow it to cook for 2 more minutes just to get that roasted taste. And we are done with this simple dish. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.